Today I'm going to show you how to show all the configurations, including the default ones on Cisco IOS. Okay, so now I'm in CML, Cisco Modeling Labs 2, and I got this topology, a router connected to a switch. Okay, so let me go into the router. Right click on it, console. Why do we need to know about this command? We need to know about this command because it will help us when we are troubleshooting issues, right? Because the command that we know, which is show running config, will only show us the configurations or the configurations that we configured, right? So we need to know the command. We need to know this command, which is show running all. This command will show us or give us all the configured and default configurations on devices. So in this example, router 1 and switch 1. So let me do show running config all, enter. So we see all the configurations, including the default ones. If I just scroll all the way down, so this is helpful because we can see the the configurations that we configured or that were configured and the default ones. Okay, and let me do the same command on the switch. Show running config all, giving us all the configurations that we configured and the default ones. So let's say we are trying to verify whether a port is a layer 2 or layer 3 port. So let me scroll up, looking for a port here. So by looking at this configuration, we know that this port is not a layer 3 port. So we cannot assign an IP address to this port. So we need to do a no switch port before we can assign an IP address to it. All right, so that's the command to show all the configuration, including the default ones on Cisco IOS. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.